Hello, movie buffs! It's time for our annual Christmas movie marathon, and we've got a lineup of all-time favorite holiday films that are sure to put you in the festive spirit. First up, A Very Merry Mixed Up is a charming romantic comedy about a woman who is mistaken for someone else by her fiancé's family and falls for his brother. This movie was filmed in Canada and features a Christmas tree farm as one of its main locations.
The most miserable time of the year. I used to really love Christmas.
The Mistletoe Promise is a sweet romantic comedy about a man and a woman who agrees to a mistletoe pact to avoid being alone over the holidays, but end up falling for each other. This movie is based on a novel of the same name by best-selling author Richard Paul Evans.
I want to be as valuable to you as you've been to me.
A Christmas Prince is a fun and romantic tale about a young woman who falls in love with a prince while covering a story in a small European country. This movie was one of the first original films produced by Netflix and spawned 2 sequels.
I'm not the man I was. I'm not the man I was.
A Christmas Carol is a timeless tale of redemption and the true meaning of Christmas, as the miserly Ebenezer Scrooge is visited by 3 ghosts on Christmas Eve. This classic story has been adapted into numerous films, plays, and TV specials over the years. The Polar Express is an enchanting animated film about a young boy's magical journey to the North Pole on Christmas Eve. This movie was the first feature film to be entirely animated using motion capture technology.
I want to believe.
The Holiday is a charming romantic comedy about 2 women who swap homes from holiday season and find love in unexpected places. This movie was filmed in London and Los Angeles and features a star-studded cast including Cameron Diaz, Kate Winslet, and Jude Law.
I can't believe that you have had sex with the woman staying in my house!
He told you that?
Oh my god, oh my god!
Elf! Elf is a hilarious and heartwarming comedy about Buddy, a human raised as an elf at the North Pole, and his journey to find his father in New York City.
Sorry!
This movie was Will Ferrell's breakout role and has become a modern holiday classic. Love Actually is a must-see for everyone who loves a good romantic comedy, and it's packed with heartwarming moments and catchy tunes.
Lovely to see you all.
Lovely.
This movie was filmed in various locations around London and features an ensemble cast with multiple intersecting storylines. Next on the list is White Christmas, a feel-good musical that follows 2 former soldiers as they team up with a sister act to save a struggling Vermont inn. This movie features some of the most iconic holiday songs of all time, including the title White Christmas and Sisters. And last but not least, we have a classic that never fails to bring a smile to my face. It's A Wonderful Life.
This is what I wished for.
This heartwarming film tells the story of George Bailey, a man who learns the value of his life on Christmas Eve with the help of an angel. This movie was released in 1946 and has become a holiday tradition for many families around the world.
I told you, George, I'm your guardian angel.
I hope you'll join me in watching these festive and heartwarming movies as we celebrate the holiday season. Merry Christmas